Guess where we are? Just guess. I'll show you!
It's almost done.
No, it's not! Put your face in there! Put your face in there! It's not gonna hurt! You're so scared. Oh my gosh, because I was too busy looking at you! That's right. We're at the car wash. Getting my car wash. Oh, look! Look. Wow! Look at that, Melissa! Oh, air! Air got clothes on my car! Yes! Yes! Hair? Not hair like this! Hair like... That is...
Air.
Look, the water. Oh no, you can't see. You can't see. All the water is going off my car, and now it's gonna be all beautiful. My car is gonna be so so beautiful. My car when it's cleaner. Oh yes. Hit it, Mel. Oh yeah, I got a clean car. What about that? What about that? Give me a freaking beat, something, man. Oh no. Okay, maybe. I wish I could erase that. Erase?
You look so white.
I know. Am I not beautiful? I look like I have no nose.
Okay, Julian's on this way to pick
Oh,
up.
no. Oh, yes, you really have to go to Julian. It's going to be a shame. I don't know what I'm going to do while you're gone.
Get ice cream, let me guess.
I would never do that.
Let's go, Mom, let's go home.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll bring you right away. Ciao.